I'm Hannah, and today I'll be showing you how to structure content within groups using sections. Groups are a way to deliver relevant content to learners with common job roles, training requirements, or interests. Sections allow content managers to customize how a group's content is segmented and displayed. Let's take a look at an example in the app. I can find my groups at the top of the dashboard or on the dedicated Groups screen. When I open a group, I can see the featured image and description at the top and the content below, divided into sections like brewing methods or the history of coffee. Sections can be created and customized to build all kinds of learning paths. Let's move over to the CMS and I'll show you how. Starting from the dashboard, I'll click Groups from the menu on the left of the screen and then find the group that I want to edit. I'll choose Content from the drop-down to see everything in this group. When I click Add Content, I can choose content to add from the list. Next, I'll be asked to pick what section I want this content to be placed in. I can choose an existing section or create a new one by typing a section name that doesn't already exist in the group. Let's call our new group Onboarding. Now, I'll click on the Sections tab to see all the sections in the group, including the one I just created, which is placed alphabetically by default. But I actually want onboarding to appear first, so I can reorder the sections by clicking on the move icon and dragging onboarding to the top of the list. Similarly, I can choose reorder from the drop-down menu to change the order that the content appears in. If I flip to the learner view, we can see that now onboarding appears at the top, and we can also see that the content under onboarding is in the order I just placed it in. Overall, sections are a powerful tool for structuring content and allow content managers to structure groups in a way that best meets their learners' needs. If this video was helpful, please like it and share it, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.